Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix random shuts off on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so just click on volume up key and click on this three dot icon and check system volume. So you will see and go back and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix randomly shuts off on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.